All right, welcome back to Talking Tech. Today we are looking at something quite interesting. It is a ring light and a tripod that came with it that I got for a grand total of $10. It was actually $9 Australian. So if you're in the US, it's what, like $6, $7, which is just a steal. It's not the biggest, it's not the most extreme, it's just something I thought would be fun to try out, and if it works, then so be it. If it doesn't, then I get an actual one. Now, before we get into it, please subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost you anything, it's free, and support us. We've also got Talking Talk, which is our motoring channel, so feel free to check that out as well. So let's get right into it. Here it is here, it's a 12-inch LED RGB ring light. It's 15 watts and it's 30 centimeters. So it's a ruler. Luminance, it says 20 to 1000 LM, light angle 180 degrees, and operating voltage. And then we'll just get straight into the unboxing. All right, let's begin with the tripod box. So it did come with its own little box and packaging in some bubble wrap, which is cool. And there it is. It's as simple as that. One. Okay, there we go. So it does raise up. So I don't know how high it goes. Can I go? Yes. Okay, so there you go. It comes 1, 2, 3. And then it lowers itself, which is good. It's not short. So there it is. It doesn't feel too weak, but also isn't the strongest, obviously, because, you know, you're paying $10. Well, whoa. All right, so there it is. It obviously is not the of highest quality, but it certainly isn't the lowest. I'm actually quite impressed. It is quite good. It is a little bit flimsy, but it could be worse. We paid $10. And now to the ring light itself. We open it up and there it is. That is what we see. We have the remote, which I have about 5 of these remotes for all the LED lights I've got going on in this room. Now we have obviously USB powered, which is good because we can connect it to the computer. Now we're going to have this little guy that will hook onto the tripod and connect it up. And then the light itself. Just see if there's anything underneath. There is not. Simple as that. There it is, 30 centimeters. There is that to stick your phone into. You're probably going to be putting it that way. If you want to do landscape mode, there is the tripod and the ring light itself. And then once you plug it in, you put this in here. So you will connect that up and then you'll put it on the tripod. And then that will make light. Okay, so here it is set up. There is the light itself. Here is where you'll put your phone. Just to note, if you're new to it, best to stick the phone at the front, not behind it, just because you'll get that light. You always want the light behind the camera itself. And obviously you can twist it if you want vertical or portrait, and you can tighten it and loosen it. Now this part here will stick onto the tripod itself. There's going to be a little bit of rubber on the tripod, so just take it off and stick it on, and it's that easy. And then the poles, there should be 3 that go up and down. You just have to twist it left and right if you want to lock it in, and then the other way if you want to loosen it. So there it is. The funny thing is it doesn't really need much power at all, and I plugged it into my TV because the laptop was too far away for the USB. So it's actually running off the TV, which is funny. Here is the remote itself. You've got off and on, your colors, flash, strobe, etc. We're just going to turn it on. Okay, don't mind the video here. I'm just trying to show you what it's like. It's going to obviously be very glary, but it is very bright and it does a really good job. So there's red, green, blue, brightness down and up. Then you can turn it off and on. It does purple if you want to fade, if you want to strobe, flash. Oh, it flashes through all the colors, okay. And then, how do I stop that? Just stop, just go back to white. Don't mind the glare, it just shows how bright it is, which is quite good. And I'll just put it on with me as if I'm going to be recording a video so you can see what it's like But there it is before I show you how it's like in person. Just as it's standing up, it doesn't look too big, but it looks fine, doesn't have much presence. The tripod below is quite little as well, so it won't take too much of your space. All right, so here is me sitting, looking at the ring light. My phone is in front of it. It's just looking at me. The room is a little bit bright because it is the middle of the day. I've put some other LED lights around just to have sort of background. That's just turned off, so that'll help give me a bit of light from there. Now it does amplify the room a lot. Like, it's really bright for such a little object. It's only 30 centimeters. There are smaller ones. You can get 8 inches, 10 inches. This is 12. Some go up to even 18 inches, which is really big. I don't think you'll need that much unless you're in a big studio. For me, this room is maybe, 4 by 5 meters, something like that. And it just illuminates it completely, and it does a really good job at it. For these videos that I like, you can see from the beginning of the video where it was just dull, and then as soon as I put the ring light on now, you can tell that everything is a lot brighter. So overall, for 10 bucks, I think it's worth it. Yeah, look, I don't think you can go wrong. I think a ring light is definitely something that you should have if you're doing videos like this where you're talking. If you just need a bit of extra light in your room, or even if you are needing some different colored lights like this. That's red, green, blue, orange, purple. I'll do the flash. That just changes colors that you saw before back to white. I'm gonna have a stroke. Sorry. But there it is. I would recommend this for $10. You literally can't go wrong. It's a good starting ring light if you don't know what to get. You begin with this. If it goes well for you, maybe you do expand and you need more, that's when you go to a bigger one, like an 18-inch. That's a bit more legit, higher end, that needs more power and so on. But overall, this is great. If you have made it this far, thanks for watching and thanks for staying till the end. I hope this was of some use to you. I'll leave a link below where you can buy it from. I just got it off eBay, but it'll be similar. They're all coming from China anyway. So thanks for watching, and of course, stay tuned for more videos.